You saw that looping through a list is straightforward. You just do it like that. However, if you have a dictionary, it is a bit more complex. Again, you do for pick a variable name in the dictionary you want to iterate, but here you want to specify what you want to iterate. Do you want to iterate over items, keys, or values? So if you want to iterate over items, you'd apply .items there. Don't forget the colon and print grade. See what happens. So you get these items printed out as a tuple. These are tuples. So the key and the value for each iteration. If you wanted the keys instead, you just write keys there, and if you wanted the values, you just write .values, and you get the values. That's how you iterate over dictionaries.